Okay, so I wanted to do a quick video. So I've gotten involved with Ty Lopez and doing his affiliate marketing, but I wanted to do a quick video because this is one of the I've never taken a Ty Lopez course. I first met Ty Lopez, not personally, but I first was introduced to him when I went to Grant Cardone's growth. Um, what the heck is it called? Growth Con, I think it was. It was the 10X Growth Con. It was in 2018 in Miami. It was an awesome event, and Ty Lopez was one of the speakers at that event. And I didn't know anything about him, never heard of him, and I don't do things based on seeing someone one time, right? I have this saying where I like to trust people, but I always verify that. I'm involved with the Success Academy, as any of you that have followed our channel know. So this is me verifying this, and I'm just kind of going to go through this. This is Ty Lopez's 5-minute mentor program, and it's all about learning about money. And it's kind of crazy. I'm not going to go into great detail because I'm going to actually sign up for it. So this is me signing up for it. So I'm going to just kind of pause this right here and sign up for it, and then I'll come back. Okay. So hang tight one moment. Okay, so you can see I've done it. So I'll just kind of explain it real quick. In the description below will be all the information regarding the program. But what I wanted to do, so as an affiliate marketer, because that's what I'm doing with Ty Lopez, as an affiliate marketer, one of the things I like to do is test the programs. I don't want to just give programs on someone I know nothing about. So this is one of the easiest ways you can get started with Ty Lopez. If you look in the description below, you're going to see all the information regarding the program. It's cheap. You can see today's discount. The price is basically $1. And then it's basically, you can do one of two options. You could do $7 a month or just pay the whole year's subscription for $59. And then what's going to happen is every day you're going to get a 5-minute video that talks about money. And it's going to systematically put your frame of mind in the right place when it comes to money. So I highly encourage you, if it's something, this is one of his probably best programs because it's really not that much money. It's less than what you probably spend at Starbucks on a cup of coffee every day. Well, I guarantee it's less than what you spend at Starbucks for a cup of coffee every day. It's only $7 a month or $60 a year, $59 a year, 60 really, because it was $1 today. So go ahead, look at the comments below. I left you a link to click on it. I can't guarantee that you'll get this same price if you don't use that link. So that's why that link is there. It is an affiliate link. I do get credit for it. I'm going to put that out there right now. If you have a problem with that, then you can just search for it on your own and do it that way. My biggest thing is to get the information out there. I am going through this program now. Today is my very first day. I'm very excited about it because I want to verify all the things I've already learned about Ty Lopez. And I haven't just learned it from listening to Ty Lopez. I actually met some folks out at the conference at Grant Cardone's growth conference. Excuse me. And they took his 67 steps, which I'm actually going to do next after I do this one. And I'm also going to do his Farmer's Box. There's a thing he has on Farmer's Box. Bottom line is, once you get hooked into one program, you have access to so many more. One thing I will tell you, as you click through, there's going to be it's like a funnel. There's going to be a lot of things. Just go all the way down to the bottom. Just do one program at a time if that's how you want to do it. But I will say there's plenty of fantastic, from what it looks like, fantastic programs. I just can't speak to them. I can speak to the 5-minute mentor though, and I'm very excited because I've already gotten my first video, and that's what I'm going to watch next. So I'll do updates every week. I'm going to do updates to this, and encourage you. If you're not interested, share the link with someone. There may be someone that that needs help with their finances or needs help to learn about money, things they just don't teach us in school. So you guys take care, and we'll see you in the next video.